it like this, I guess. Hey, Todd. I got it. Sweetie. Yes, you are. He's like, come on. Quit it. Are you ready?